7 carbs with more fiber than brown rice. According to dietitians, want to boost your fiber intake? Move beyond brown rice with these fiber-rich carbs. If you're looking to increase your fiber intake but are tired of brown rice, there are plenty of other carbs that offer the same health benefits. Break the meal monotony with these 7 dietitian-approved carbs that have more fiber than brown rice. Health benefits of fiber. A high-fiber diet offers numerous health benefits. A diet rich in fiber from fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, and seeds is linked to a lower risk of diabetes, heart disease, immune disorders, and some types of cancer, says Sherry Gav, RDN, CDCES, a registered dietitian and spokesperson for Dietitian Insights. Fiber does remarkable things inside the body. It acts like a broom, sweeping through the system to help keep us regular and remove waste products. It can even help remove cholesterol from being absorbed, improving heart health, says Rahian Geiger, RDN, a Phoenix-based dietitian. Fiber also takes longer to digest, increasing feelings of fullness and supporting stable blood sugar levels, which may help maintain a healthy weight. 7 carbs with more fiber than brown rice. A 1/2 cup serving of brown rice has about 2 grams of fiber. Here are some foods with more fiber per 1/2 cup serving. 1. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are a nutritious, starchy vegetable with 4 grams of fiber per 1/2 cup serving of mashed potatoes. They are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and other protective benefits that help prevent oxidation, inflammation, cancer, and nerve damage, says Gav. Sweet potatoes also contain bioactive compounds like carotenoids, which reduce the risk of chronic and degenerative diseases. Swapping brown rice for sweet potatoes in soups, stews, salads, and side dishes can double your fiber intake, says Gav. 2. Barley. Barley is a whole grain with a nutty flavor and more fiber than brown rice. 1/2 cup serving of cooked barley has 3 grams of fiber. Barley contains a viscous type of soluble fiber known as beta-glucan, which helps trap LDL cholesterol and prevent reabsorption during digestion, Gav explains. Barley fibers also help lower blood sugar response after meals and support a healthy gut microbiome. 3. Quinoa. Quinoa is a whole grain with more fiber and protein than brown rice. Though quinoa is technically a seed, it is considered a gluten-free whole grain and a complete source of protein, says Gav. 1/2 cup serving of cooked quinoa has about 2.6 grams of fiber. 4. Green peas. Green peas are a starchy vegetable rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, offering 4.5 grams per 1/2 cup cooked serving. Insoluble fiber promotes healthy digestion by adding bulk to the stool and speeding up transit time. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like material that lowers cholesterol, blood sugar, and inflammation. 5. Whole wheat pasta. Swapping refined pasta for whole wheat pasta can increase your fiber intake. A 1/2 cup of cooked whole wheat pasta has slightly more than 2 grams of fiber. Whole grains also have more vitamins and minerals than refined grains. 6. Black beans. Legumes are a great source of fiber, offering more than brown rice per serving. A 1/2 cup of canned black beans has about 9 grams of fiber. A diet that includes legumes is associated with a lower risk of hypertension, type 2 diabetes, and other inflammatory conditions. The bottom line: there are plenty of options to increase fiber intake beyond brown rice. A high-fiber diet, including foods like sweet potatoes, barley, quinoa, green peas, whole wheat pasta, and black beans, offers many health benefits. Eating more fiber doesn't have to be boring.